Hi all, today I am explaining you about a simple e-commerce app built using the main stack. Main stack has 4 components: Mongo, Angular, Express and Node. These 4 components can be used to create a fully functional website. A typical request response flow of our app is as follows. AngularJS present in the user browser would send a REST or a JSON request to our Node.js servers. Node.js servers has two main components. The first thing is Express. Express is a web framework for building Node.js application, and it provides many middleware that will help us in building the website. Mongoose is a Node module that will help us in connecting to the Mongo database. The following tools were also used in our project. The first one is GitSCM. It is a source control management tool that will help us in maintaining the source code. RomboMongo helps us in monitoring the MongoDB. NG-Inspector is a testing tool that will help us in testing the functionality of the AngularJS. The following Node modules were also used in the project. Modules are nothing much like libraries, and they provide additional functionalities using the API mechanisms. This is the project repository. As you can see, the server.js contains most of the code required for handling the HTTP request. Seed.js creates fake data using a Node module called Faker. We can create as many products as we want using this seed script. Though most of the data is meaningless, it will help us in testing the website properly. The website is built using the most popular model view controller mechanism. The models, especially you can see product.js and user.js, contain the schema of the database. The controllers are cart controller, checkout controller, details controller, etc., and these contain the business logic. The view is in the pages like add product, card details, etc. The root provider file for AngularJS is present below. For every request, the controller and the template URL are also given in this root provider file. The service.js file helps us in declaring various variables that will be used in our Angular files. The features of the MongoDB app are as follows. The user can register, the user can create his own profile, he can add products to the cart, and the admin can add product details, and the user can search using filters. They can also check out using PayPal after completing their purchase. I would like to thank my mentors, Mr. Emmanuel Gosla and Mr. Prakash Chittimella, who supported me and helped me in successfully completing this project. Now I will show you a simple demo of the application. This is the home page of our app, and this data is created using the Faker module. If we click on a link, we will get the details about the product. For example, this is the details page where you need to know, where you will have information about the name, color, material, category and subcategory of the product. Now let us go back to the main application. As you can see, this is currently hosted in Heroku, and you can also search for any product using the filters provided above. For example, if I click on industrial and select Incredible is a subcategory name, then you will get the product with the that are listed under Incredible. Let us select beauty, and let us now go to a product, ergonomic soft chip. You get details about ergonomic soft chips, and also you will also have details about some other products that are in the category beauty. This is like a suggestion to viewers to the users who want to shop more. Now I'll be registering as a new user, and now I'll see whether I'll be able to add products to my cart or not. Press the sign up button. Now I am automatically logged in as user Teja. Now since I haven't provided any details, I'll be adding those details now. My first name, my other details. this will help the cart the user to specify the details where the product has to be delivered. Now I'll be adding few products into my cart and performing a simple checkout. I'm adding one product of fresh beacon, and I'm adding 15 products of handsome soft ball. As you can see, once the item is added, you will get a message this item is in your cart. This is done using AngularJS, and you'll also see your cart getting updated. I'll add even a fresh beacon. Yeah, 16 items have been. If you click on this, you will be redirected to the page that contains your details about the products what you have added. You can remove these products before performing a checkout. It is a bit slow because it is running on the cloud. Now I'm pressing the buy now button. It will be redirected to PayPal page. Currently this is the email ID where all the payments will be made, and you can see the order summary is also present. For the above cart functionality, I am using an open source code that was developed by a person called Snapg. So even anyone can use it because it is licensed under the MIT, and you can make changes or do whatever you want with the code. I'm not giving my details because I don't want to buy the product now. I'll go back to the site and show you some more features of the site. I'm removing all the products that I have added, and I'm going back to shopping. Now let us check the user profile which we have updated. Yeah, the details are there. Now let us try to add a product. Normally products can be added only by admin. I have given admin privileges to the Teja username, so I'll be able to add a product. Now this is where you will fill information about the product. I'll add the name as iPhone, though I'm not buying it. Color is gray. Now product category is electronics. Price is 50,000. Subcategory mobiles. Product material, it's made of chips, electronic chips and transistors. This is used when you are giving details about cloth, etc. Now product image URL. The image URL is already present in the cloud, and I'll be using those. Now product description is best mobile ever. Now I'll be clicking the save changes button. So your product will now be added. The product will be in the last because it is sorted according to the adding order. Yeah, and this is your product. 50,000 rupees iPhone, and 2 images that I have given now. Now I'll add this product to my cart, and yeah, it is updating your cart. And also the tax is currently at 7.5, and shipping is around 5% of whatever price the product has. I'm removing everything. I'm closing the product. Now I'll be logging out from the website. Yeah, so see, the page is not loaded completely because most of the functionality is done using AngularJS, and they'll be using JSON objects, which doesn't need you to refresh every time you make any request. Thank you for listening to my presentation.